In this video, we'll show you what to do if the sound is not working on your Asus laptop. So to fix this, first right click on the speaker icon on the taskbar and then select sound settings from the list. Now in the settings app that open, go to the output section and make sure your preferred device is set as the default device. Additionally, you can also check its volume using this slider. However, if your device doesn't appear on this list, scroll down and then click on more sound settings. Now in the sound settings panel, find your device from here and then make sure it is enable. If it says disable, right click on it and then select enable. After it is enabled, select it and set it as the default device and then hit apply followed by OK. However, if you still experience problems, head to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result that appears. In the services window, you will need to scroll down and find the Windows audio service. Right click on it and then select start. If it's already running, you can select this restart option and hopefully this will solve your problem. However, if you still experience problems, right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, you will need to expand audio inputs and outputs section. Find your audio device on this list, right click on it and then select uninstall device. Now click on uninstall again to confirm. Now scroll down and expand this sound, video and game controllers section. Now find your audio device here again, right click on it again and then select uninstall device. Now tick this particular checkbox and then click on uninstall again. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Asus laptop and your issues should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.